Davian at A&D Homestead, and today I'm going to be talking to you a little bit about some wild edibles. Another plant that you should for sure have wherever you are is dandelion. So you'll probably already know how to identify these because they are technically considered weeds, but they're low to the ground just like the plantain, and they've got jagged leaves, and in the spring they'll bloom a yellow flower, and when that flower goes to seed, it looks like this. So every part of the dandelion is edible. So the flower is the best tasting part that can go in cookies or jelly, and this leaf right here, the leaf has a bitter taste similar to the plantain. So these you can put in a salad, but you don't really want to just eat them straight because they don't taste the greatest. And you can also dig up the root. If you dig up the root, you can make caffeine-free coffee. So it's got like the same taste as coffee and similar smell, but it has no caffeine. So this is a great substitute for kids.